Hey Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? I created this book in 2014 and very much with children in mind. And once it was published, I realised it wasn't really for children at all. It was for everyone. And this little dog and this little cat slightly got in the way after a while. And I noticed on Amazon I would get comments like, oh, this is for kids. And in fact, it isn't. This is for everyone. It's for people who want to learn to draw. So after a while, I changed the cover and brought it in line with the Draw Stuff Real Easy channel kind of thing and called it Everyone Can Draw and made it more Draw Stuff Real Easy typeface and everything. And that's not right. I really need to go the whole hog. And so now I have changed the whole thing again. So the book is now called How to Draw Stuff Real Easy. The actual content hasn't changed at all. There's just a few new things that I've added. And on page 2 where we got our little characters, I've now got you can draw with anything, even a brush or a stick. So where it was the cat and the dog practicing football and music, we now have a sort of a gymnast and a guitarist, and you need to practice everything to get good at it. And for instance, this tent here, a little cat sort of waving from it. Now you got somebody's feet sticking out. The rest of it, the actual drawing part, is all exactly the same. And here again, this was the cat and dog telling you to get a sketchbook and sort of various bits of drawing advice. As I said, this is a book for everyone who wants to learn to draw, who is starting out, and who maybe when they were kind of 11, 12, they kind of gave up drawing, although they really liked it. Maybe their teachers told them they were no good and they must stop drawing. And they just still have that desire. They need a little bit of help to get started, to sort of show them the tips and tricks just to get going. This isn't meant to be a how to become a world famous artist. It's how to draw stuff real easy and get going. So if you haven't got a copy of this, you can get it from Amazon following the links down below, or you can get an ebook following the links right underneath this video and start learning to draw straight away. Here are some of the great reviews on Amazon for Everyone Can Draw. And remember this, the content is exactly the same. Best money I ever spent. This book explains all the basics you need to learn to draw. Fun. I really enjoyed this book. It encourages us all to draw. Easy and well explained. 5 stars. Very helpful for a beginner. I highly recommend this book. Shooby shares his tips on how to get the most out of drawing by breaking down each shape, i.e. circles, cylinders, squares, and shares his knowledge how to draw using each shape. Excellent and very helpful book. Put simply and builds up on your skills. Why did they not teach us this in school? Lovely book and highly recommended. And thank you. Great beginner's book. Really useful, easy book to learn from. Enough to get you started in drawing. You have the added benefit of watching Shoo's videos on YouTube. Some books can get too in-depth and complicated, so I end up packing my art stuff away, but now I'm doing this easy drawing and adding watercolour to make them better again. Good book! Thanks for watching, and do remember to subscribe and ring that bell. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.